Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a bun, nice slick bun using some track hair. So right now I'm just combing my hair up to where I want to position the bun. Kind of wanted it high, not too high but high. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm just going to take some gel and gel my edges down so I can have a nice slick ponytail. So after I'm done adding the gel, I'm just going to take the brush and, of course, brush it into my ponytail. Okay, so now that I got my ponytail to how I like it, I'm going to get these edges right. So now I got my edges cute like I want them. Do y'all think it's cute? I'm just going to take my scarves. I'm using one for my edges, and then I'm using a bigger one, and I'm just going to wrap it around to, get things laid a little bit more. So now I am just going to remove the scarves. I've had them on for about 15 or 20 minutes. And I'm going to start wrapping the hair around. So I'm using this pack of hair here. I've been having it in my closet for like 2 years now. So to do my full ponytail bun, I used about, I think, 3 of these little sections that you can see I'm pulling apart. So after I get the hair, I'm taking a small piece of the end of the track, and I'm just going to take that and wrap it around my bun. And then when I'm done wrapping it, I'm just going to pin it down. This pin was so hard to get in. So after I pin it, I'm going to pull the track to make sure it's secured. Jazeel, you about to sit on her face. Sorry about that, guys. So I pulled it to see, to make sure that it was secure. And then I'm just going to take the rest of the tracks and wrap it around my bun. And I'm going to do this until I get it, until the tracks are gone. And then you're going to see me at the end. When I'm done wrapping it, I'm going to take another small piece. And then I'm just going to wrap that around just like I did at the beginning. And then I'm going to pin it down. And then I'm going to continue the same process with about 2 more sections of track hair. Okay guys, so right here I am just taking some pins and I'm securing the hair down. And now I'm just pulling the hair to the side so I can get ready to wrap it around into a bun. Now you're going to see me do this process 2 times because I was trying to decide if I wanted to use a ponytail holder to secure it down, and that just didn't go right, so I had to take it down and redo it. So that's what I'm doing now. See? Cute. Right here, I'm just looking at the back to make sure my actual hair is not showing. This is the first try, and I messed it up completely with this. As you can see, that just messed it all up. So I'm taking it down and just redoing the whole bun. And I like the first wrap better, but this one will do. So I'm just taking pins now, and I'm going to secure it down with the pins. And don't worry about that little part right there sticking out. I'm going to fix it. Okay, so now I am just straightening up the bun. It's not perfect, but it's still cute. Right there, I was just moving my head, to see if all the areas were secure. As you can see, a piece came out, so I'm adding some more pins. Don't want to be walking around and your bun coming apart. So secure it down. So that's it, guys. I think it came out cute. Yes, I still have a few flyaways, but hey, it's cute and it will do. So thank you for watching, guys. yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.